Welcome. In this video, we will look at how the OCI network firewall supports source network address translation through NAT rules configured in firewall policies. We can create the firewall policies with NAT rules for SNAT on outgoing traffic. It will work by changing the source IP address of the traffic using a pool of SNAT from the internal network. Thus, the destination VM will see as source IP address as an internal safe IP address. At present, the OCI network firewall can perform private SNAT operations only. Destination NAT and public SNAT are not currently supported. After a firewall policy containing NAT rule is attached to a firewall, NAT cannot be disabled. To disable, you have to update the firewall with a policy that does not include NAT rules. Then the NAT can be disabled on the firewall. When applying NAT rules, they are applied in a specific order within the rule of operations. NAT rules are applied after decryption, security, and tunnel rules, ensuring a comprehensive and secure network management process. To enable NAT on firewalls, ensure at least 4 spare IPs are available on the firewall subnet for a 4 Gbps firewall and a minimum of 5 spare IPs for a 25 Gbps firewall. When you create a firewall policy and include NAT rules, you can assign it to a firewall to enable NAT functionality. Using NAT rules, the firewall performs private source address translation for traffic that matches the defined NAT rules. When creating the firewall, this feature is now available and can be enabled during the initial setup. This helps simplify the configuration process and reduces the need for post-deployment changes. To enable NAT for your OCI network firewall, go to the navigation menu and select Identity and Security. Then choose Network Firewalls. Find your firewall in the list, click on the Actions menu and select View Details. Then click on Edit and enable the NAT feature. Once NAT is enabled, the NAT IP address is displayed in the firewall. The IP addresses will be automatically selected by the firewall. We cannot control the IP addresses that will be in use by the network firewall for SNAT. Firewall translates matching outbound traffic based on the configured NAT rules. Fixed NAT IPs specify the IP addresses or address pools used for this translation. OCI Network Firewall NAT provides enterprise-grade, policy-aware source NAT with full traffic inspection and logging, enabling centralized egress, controlled ingress, and secure east-west traffic flows.